Hi, my name's Joe. I'm the founder of Baseweight, and right now I'm going to demonstrate with a simple model the functionality of the Baseweight model park, namely what we do right now, which is we're building a pipeline to do continuous delivery of models. So, it's not there yet, but this is the prototype. So you log into this screen, you see how many models you have in your repository, downloads, and data download. Now, what you want to do is we're going to do the task of actually converting a model and going end to end. So the model that we're going to convert is just going to be a model that we're going to pull from PyTorch Hub called AnimeGAN. This is a model that I've demoed before at PyTorch conference in 2022, and that's what it is. It's a good little demo. It's 8 megs. It runs on. I got it running on iOS and Android. I've shown people this demo before, but first thing is we're going to get the API keys. So, as I mentioned in the previous video, we have read and write API keys. So, I already copied my read key to the Android device, but I'm going to copy my write key and I'm going to put it into my AnimeGAN. Now, this is pretty familiar territory to anyone who's worked with machine learning models before. So you pull the model from the PyTorch hub, or you would pull from Hugging Face. Uh, you load the libraries you need, and then you just do some pre-processing. I implemented this pre-processing in OpenCV on Android. I've also actually on this one I've actually done it in Kotlin. You can do it in OpenCV. You can do whatever. You can choose how you want to pre and post. So you just run it here in Python and then you plot it out so that it actually shows up. And that's what we should expect on the other side. And then once you do that, you generate a random tensor, use that tensor in your Onyx output. And that's your very, very, very basic Onyx output. Doesn't always work, but usually does in this case. That's why I like this model, even though it has a lot of reshapes and doesn't really move across to other frameworks that run Onyx. So yeah, we're just gonna then upload this directly to Baseweight via S3. It arrived, and now we should see it here, and we do. So once we do that, we need to actually encrypt the model. So what we do is we could encrypt, and it starts a job. So what it does right now is it actually adds it to a queue, and there's a little model encryptor. Now, in the future, we plan to add more tasks like converting safe tensors to GGUF or converting GGUF to executorch or to Onyx runtime even. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but we can do that. So, but that's basically what we do is we're going to add more tasks here. So again, this is a prototype, so I had to actually check the view again, and we are done. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy the model ID over, and we're going to copy the encrypted ID over. So, or maybe I did, let's make sure I do that right. Model ID, that's correct, and the encrypted ID, which is over here. Okay, and then we are going to run the application. This is a live demo. I practiced this demo, clearly. So we have our image. It's the same image that we used earlier. Then we're going to download the Onyx runtime model from the server, and it downloaded successfully. And then finally, we're going to run predict. And as you can see here, once it's done, it did the prediction, which matches up with what we should expect from the model. And that wraps up the basic demo of the functionality. We hope to add more models in the future, more workloads, more tasks, and do more work on the SDK to make life easier. The whole goal of these tools is to decrease the amount of time it takes to go from training to on a device to actually running on a device. That's the whole goal. I hope you like this demo. My name's Joe. This is Baseweight, and if you like this, check out baseweight.ai. You can check it out here over and sign up is open. You can get early access and try it out. Add your own models. So that's it. Hope you like this video.